sacrament of the incarnation.
There's a great need to form priests, religious, and laity in the church to understand why financial transparency, accountability, and evaluation is important, that you need to have financial planning, financial reporting. This year, I was very impressed by the great work that the bishops coming from all over the world are doing in their countries in really difficult circumstances, some in rural areas in Africa and in India.
Are there any punitive measures
to fit into an existing system in Europe and in America?
They have managed to set up structures and systems that help good financial stewardship, and they managed to keep their priests and their ministries going, which is very impressive.
How to do it and why to do it.
So why do we need to plan?
This workshop was created with a clear goal to strengthen the church credibility and mission through a more transparent, accountable and professional management of its resources.
This has to be something you take very seriously and look at.
And this is a 360-degree program because not only covers financial and accounting practices, but also the spirituality of church management, leadership and communication skills. We brought together experiences and testimonies from all around the world to renew the church with these new competencies. This initiative is designed specifically for bishops and superiors of religious organizations, finance directors or bursars and economists, but also for those who at all levels have to deal with the church resources.
My hope is that from this workshop, many countries decide to set up their own programs of church management, educational courses for their clergy, religious and lay people, to improve management practices in the church.
They transform transparency and accountability from ideals into actionable governance.
In other words, to sanctify church governance, and that bishops' conferences recognize the importance of this formation, and that over time this also becomes a part of either seminary formation or ongoing formation in the first years after ordination, either as a priest or of those who are consecrated bishops, that in the first years of their life as bishops they can receive this kind of formation locally, so that we can really scale and reach out to the whole world.